राइट साइड, राइट राइट।
अरे चिल्लाओ मत। राइट मैम, वीडियो क्लियर।
वेट वेट वेट, राइट। टीवी आर्टिस्ट है ना।
डन।
सर यहाँ सामने मैम, सर यहाँ सामने।
वेट 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 वेट।
Pardon me, I've got a chewing gum in my mouth, but I'm very, very happy to be here, especially for the Society Achievers Award. I'm getting an award today for music, for achieving, and the category is wonderful. It made me very happy when they said that in 2015 you came out with Momo Ke Dhage, which got 3 national awards, and staying relevant is very important. And then they said now Judwa became a super hit with, they told me you sang for Salman just 20 years back, and now you've sung for Varun Dhawan, and the music and the songs have become a huge hit, and the film also. So they're honoring me for achieving the impossible. I like that, and I'm very honored to be here. देखिए, मैं इस सवाल का जवाब अपने अंदाज में दूंगा कि अवार्ड कितनी बार भी मिल जाए, इट्स ऑलवेज स्पेशल, इट विल ऑलवेज बी स्पेशल. और यही बात मैं अंदर भी बोलूँगा दैट इसके पीछे बहुत मेहनत होती है. एट दिस पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम ये जो लम्हा है फिलहाल राइट नाउ इज़ अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट मोमेंट इन माई लाइफ, बिकॉज जितनी मेहनत की गई है टू स्टे रेलिवेंट विद यंगस्टर्स हु आर डूइंग फैबुलस वर्क and to give a judwa or give a dam laga ke Haisha, I think it's a great feeling, and I think it's very important that I get a clap on the back for all the hard work.
मैम स्ट्रेट मैम, सामने यहाँ। मैम लेफ्ट राइट साइड यहाँ। मैम रुक रहे राइट। लक्ष्मी मैम सामने सामने। एक सेकंड मैम ऊपर मैम सामने। लक्ष्मी मैम राइट साइड यहाँ। लक्ष्मी जी। लक्ष्मी सामने ऊपर। मैम वीडियो क्लियर। हाँ। धन्यवाद। मैम लेट वीडियो के लिए। राइट में। कम फॉर माइक।
I'm very excited for today's event. This is my first time that I'm actually, I usually, I've just started visiting all the award nights, and this is one of my second awards that I've post my Bollywood release that I'm attending. So I'm really excited and I'm looking forward for this evening. Sorry? Thank you. I'm actually in Rahul Verma's outfit today, and it's gorgeous because I love his creation with the kind of drapes and the embroidery that he does. So styled by Nischay. I go back a long way with Ashok. So yes, Society, Stardust, all this magazines, like they are like I'm closely associated because I featured in one of their magazines as well, Savvy. Society not yet, but yes, Stardust and everything. So yes, today I thank Ashok to for having me here, and I'm looking forward for this event. Which category you are getting award? Getting award? I'm not getting an award. I have come to present an award here today. Thank you.
Right side, sir. Wait, sir. Sir, wait. Okay. Thank you.
Oh, I think society has been an integral part of all of us, right from very young days, I should say. So these kind of awards, I think everyone looks forward to, and I think in terms of achieving, when you scale heights, when you achieve something, you feel good. Any kind of reward and recognition is fantastic. It feels very good. So to be part of it, to be here, and to be honored, I think there is nothing better than that. As I said, any kind of award, reward or recognition, it encourages you, no matter how old you are, no matter where you have reached. You may scale Mount Everest. I think that flag when you put there, that's what that recognition is. So same, no matter how many times you scale Everest, every time you get that joy. I don't know what the format is, but normally I think for what I have done, what I have achieved this year has been special, especially with the Padma Shri and all of that. So I think from young age to best chef of the country to international honors to everything, it's something that you look forward to. It's something that now it's not, you may not feel that good as your kids, they feel more encouraged. So it's for our team and it's for our kids, I should say. Thank you.
मैडम समोर मैम एकदम समोर मैडम समोर मैडम और मैम मंगेश मैम समोर मैम इकडे मैम
See, for me, I have been reading this magazine for years, and it has always given a platform and also information about the cream of society in all the fields. So I am really honored to be here. They have called me, I think, to give away one award and also maybe to receive one. So it is my honor since years as a college kid, as a politician, as a social person. I always followed up with this magazine, and so now I am part of this program. I am honored, and I think it will create a new relation with me and society from today. See, it is only 17% of women in the country who are exposed to sanitary napkins. Others are not using it. That is a very shocking number. And when this taxation came, even I wrote to Finance Minister, the Union Finance Minister, about this. All the women organizations came to me. Even Women Commission was approached by all the women organizations. I was very positively, we wrote a letter to central government. But only 17% of the population uses this. So it is very affordable for them. We should make it more approachable and more reachable to the normal mass population, and we are coming up with a scheme from Maharashtra government called Asmita. We are launching it on 8th of March. So where we will make sanitary napkin available in every village and in very, very low cost. And we only self-help groups will sell it. So it's a unique scheme, no state has it. So we are coming up with this. Thank you so much.
Society Achievement Award is a unique initiative on its own. Trust me, it's one platform when one can really feel that you are somewhere, you are something important in life. And in the years to roll by, the way they are doing, something really amazing. Thank you so much.
Hi, good evening. Good, I'm fine. Happy New Year. So I've been associated with Magna since long, and I think Society and Stardust, they do a very good job of rewarding the talents, and the Society Achievers Award, it rewards talents from all fields. It's not just Bollywood, it's sports, it's all the other industries, politics, all the other industries as well. So it's very good, and we should definitely applaud the achievers and encourage them so that they are able to soar more heights. I'm presenting the award. Bulbul. I'm very thankful कि आप सबको बुलबुल इतनी पसंद आई, and जो character था that was completely unlike me. मैं बिल्कुल बुलबुल जैसी नहीं हूँ, so to play that character meant a lot of effort and all. So I'm happy because I've been working behind the camera since many years, so it was challenging for me because मैं बहुत time बाद camera face कर रही थी और सबका बहुत प्यार आया and सबने बहुत praise की मेरी performance की. So thank you so much. Oh my God, I've been watching Bigg Boss since I watched the entire season of Bigg Boss, and I'm a big Salman fan and Bigg Boss fan, and I want Shilpa to win. She's won? कुछ झूठ बोल रहे हो कि पता नहीं सुबह से ही आ गए. I'm so happy. Yeah, Shilpa is the winner. I think I really found her very very nice. और अगर आप अंदर से अच्छे नहीं होते हो तो आपके फेस पर आप जैसे भी होते हो वो झलकता है, वो कभी आप छुपा नहीं सकते, डिसऑनेस्ट नहीं हो सकते. इतना ज़्यादा आई थिंक फेक करना इट्स इम्पॉसिबल फॉर एनी ह्यूमन बीइंग. सो आप जैसे अंदर से होते हो वो हमेशा आपके चेहरे पर दिखता है और वो ऑनेस्टी पता चलती है. सो आई लव्ड शिल्पा एंड आई एम सो हैप्पी दैट शी इज़ द विनर एंड शी रियली डिजर्व द टाइटल. I'll tell soon. Bye. Thank you.
मैम सामने देखिए यहाँ पे. मैम स्ट्रेट मैम. मैम सामने एकदम. मैम स्ट्रेट मैम यहाँ. सामने मैम. मैम सामने सर. मैम यहाँ देखिए. सॉरी. मैम स्ट्रेट मैम सामने ऊपर. मैम लेफ्ट. जिससे पूरा. मैम राइट साइड. मैम सामने मैम. राइट साइड राइट साइड. वन मोर मैम. लेफ्ट साइड. मैम राइट साइड. राइट साइड मैम.
गला भी खराब है.
Well, I think I'm nominated firstly, and I'm very thankful to everybody out here and to society for recognizing the talent in our country in a growing situation where new talents are being encouraged. And I've got Stardust Young Achievers Award recently, so I think this is my second association with them. When I'm nominated, let's see, hoping for the best. I really don't know. I didn't ask him anything. I came here for society. मुझे आपकी आवाज़ कम आ रही है. Not at all. Not at all. We are all set to release our film the 25th. Right holiday film ka tha. I think this is a very big film for us, for Akshay sir, and we are very confident of what we have made. So I think if your film is made well and the audience understands what we have made and वो उसको accept करते हैं तो कोई फिल्म में किसी के साथ भी आए तो कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. Thank you so much.
Society Achievers Award. Well, it's lovely because we have a fine society. Society covers it very well, and they have all the right kind of people to judge who is an achiever and who from our society has done well for the period of time we're talking about. And I think it's always good to give and receive awards because you are honoring people who have done something good for society. Thank you.
It's great to be here, and I have known quite a few of the achievers that have got the award at the Society Awards, and it's wonderful, it's very encouraging, and I think it's always nice for anyone who has achieved something in life to be appreciated, and this is one great way that this magazine appreciates people who've achieved something in life. In passing one or two, but I am not really a Big Boss watcher.
I think it's an honor to be here, and you need more publications like Society, this organization, to take forward younger people and acknowledge their achievement. So I think what they're doing is amazing, and it's always nice to be here. We know the team very well, so it's always a pleasure.
It's a great honor to be here. I think for any person in a creative field, an award is a great source of encouragement. And I think the life of an artist is timeless, it's never ending, it's a long journey. So it's just an honor to be here, and I feel very blessed to be starting the new year with these awards. Thank you. Huh? Yeah.
क्या करना है? Okay. Trying to see my mango sari, raw mango sari. Okay. Anything, sweetheart. थोड़ा आगे आके बोल. यहाँ nominations हैं क्या? हाँ? Yeah. जो मुझे पता है इसलिए मैं आई हूँ. It's because I'm winning an award. Otherwise, I mean, I might have come still, but यहाँ मुझे nominations नहीं है यहाँ. But I am very, very thrilled, and this is what I really want to say for all these mics if they're on, is that I am so proud that Society magazine is one of the few people in media to reward theatre. I was asking Suchitra, is this award been given to other people, before this? And she said, no, we have just instituted this award. Because it's a very, very dynamic space, but it's somehow, because we live in Bombay or Mumbai, it gets completely overshadowed by films or television even. So I'm just thrilled that, and that's one of the reasons I've come all bright and all that, to get the award, because there's a acknowledgement of work that is being done in the theatre. Thank you.
Well, in English or in Hindi? So I've been associated with Society because Magna Publishing, all the magazines that they write, we always endorse a lot of the staff, especially with the Savvy and other ones. But as far as Society is concerned, I think it's great that we acknowledge people and their achievements. And it's a great thing that Society does this every year. And kudos to them for this. I think I'll be presenting an award, because if I was being awarded, they would have told me I'm being awarded. I think I'll be probably presenting. And even if you don't present, it's just the fact that you come there to give support to the whole fraternity that is winning the award. Because it's so important that if you're getting an award, you need some people to be there when you're receiving it. That makes you feel all the more better. Thank you.
Sir, right side, sir, right side. Sir, in the center. Sir, right side, center, sir. Tushar, right side, sir, Tushar. Sir, center. Sir, left, both of you. Sir, right side. Sir, video के लिए. Sir, सामने. Sir, यहाँ पे, एकदम सामने. Sir, सामने. Sir, बैठ लो, sir, जीतू सर, बैठ. साथ में दे देंगे. हाँ, सर.
मैं तो आया हूँ आई थिंक सोसाइटी अचीवर अवार्ड्स में पहले भी. आई थिंक डैड्स कमिंग फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम एंड वी हैव कम फॉर अ वेरी स्पेशल occasion. I mean, you know that once you see the award function, so we don't want to reveal that now.
Right, absolutely right.
We're presenting. I can speak for him, right? It's inspiring because it's not just Bollywood based. It's got, I think, the awardees are.
No, the name of the magazine is Society.
Society, yeah. So
It's something to do with the society. It's people from the society, not only from films.
So it's inspiring for those who are not just aspiring to be in Bollywood.
Already your film is about very highly successful Golmaal written. Any chances new film is coming Golmaal 4?
Golmaal 5 अभी आनी है. Of course it'll come. कब आएगी ये I think only Rohit will be able to answer that question. But definitely आएगी ज़रूर. I mean there's no question about it now. I mean it's
नहीं ये 5 नहीं है कोई 15 तक रुकने वाला नहीं है.
Hopefully
हम
yeah.
रहे ना रहे. Oh I love it. It's very difficult and he does it so well.
Still in discussion, still talking, still reading scripts. I think after Golmaal again, the follow-up film should be worth it. I can't bring the standard down after such a big success. So I'm going to wait it out and do something that really,
In my time,
follows up well.
We used to do about 30 films at a time. Today these guys don't do films. हम लोग टैक्सी के माफक थे 10 meter down we used to go on.
I tried that strategy but it didn't
no, it doesn't work
it
now.
pulled me back so I had to cut down.
It's a big game.
Yeah.
Any chances of coming in digital platform or is Balaji doing very well in digital platform? Any chances you're coming in a digital platform?
Yeah, he should tell.
It depends on, I mean, I would love to do it. I would love to do even television, digital. The digital platform is also, it's a galaxy. Who would want to say no? I mean, it transcends geographical barriers, language, time, space. People can watch your work at any time, anywhere, and people of all languages can watch it. So it's a galaxy. Why would I want to ignore it? Thank you.
Not going. Thank you. Well, I think this is a great award in appreciation for all our achievers, whether from all walks of life, and I think it's a very great opportunity for everyone to be here and also open our eyes to what is happening around us, be aware of all the good work that everyone has been doing so far. I have no idea. I think I am kind of nominated, but I don't know. I'll go in and come to know. I think हर award बहुत मायने रखता है क्योंकि the very fact that you are getting an award for the appreciation of the work that you've done, तो वो अपने आप में ही बहुत important होता है. I honestly feel things like this should be tax-free because I think it should be easily affordable for women from all classes and all walks of life. Thank you so much.
मैं ठीक हूँ, आप कैसे? अचीवर्स अवार्ड एक अलग तरीके का अवार्ड है और ऑब्वियसली एक खुशी ये होती है कि सिर्फ बॉलीवुड ही नहीं है, सिर्फ फिल्म से रिलेटेड नहीं है, हर फील्ड के लोगों को, मतलब हर फील्ड में जिसने बहुत अच्छा काम किया है या जो काम कर रहे हैं, मेहनत कर रहे हैं, उन्हें फेलिसिएट किया जा रहा है. तो एक अलग तरीके का अवार्ड है एंड खुशी होती है जब एक ऐसे अवार्ड पर आप आएँ जहाँ पे हर तबके के लोग हैं, हर बिजनेस से रिलेटेड लोग हैं, ना ही सिर्फ बॉलीवुड से. मैं अवार्ड लेने भी आया हूँ और मैं अवार्ड ऑब्वियसली आया हूँ तो मैं प्रेजेंट भी करूँगा अवार्ड्स. सो खुशी हुई जब उन्होंने कहा कि यू हैव टू कम हियर एंड आपको अवार्ड दिया जा रहा है. सो एंड सोसाइटी के साथ, नारी जी के साथ एक पुराना रिश्ता रहा है. आई हैव ऑलवेज सपोर्टेड स्टारडस्ट हो या सावी मैगजीन हो या सोसाइटी हो. सो इट्स लाइक अ फैमिली. कौन है भाई? कौन है? भाई मैंने कुछ नहीं किया, जो होना था वो अपने आप हो गया, उसमें मेरा कोई हाथ नहीं है। I can't hear you at all, beta. It's a great concept, and the best part about the show is like me and Karan, we know each other for a long time. Then the host Ritvik and Karan Wahi, with whom I worked a lot. Khatro Ke Khiladi, they were both there together, and we have a it's like a family and all friends working together. So there's a lot of fun, and साथ में एक नया concept है, नए बच्चे हैं जिन्हें ट्रेन किया जा रहा है, एक अलग तरीके का concept है, and we all are enjoying it. Thank you so much.
Hi. हैप्पी होली, हैप्पी मकर संक्रांति, हैप्पी पोंगल, सब कुछ जी आपको बहुत बहुत मुबारक। No, I feel society is one platform which honors all the people who deserve whatever they have done in their life, or just want to tell them they're doing a great job, and always keep on motivating people to work hard and achieve more and more in life, and all the best to all the people who are associated with this huge platform. I'm going to be awarded for the Fitness Icon of the Year award. So I think that's one more reason for me to go to the gym tomorrow. I'm sorry? Yeah, I've just completed JP Datta Sir's Pulton. Last schedule is on. Then there's a film with Kangana called Manikarnika. Then I finished a film called Kurukshetra. My two home productions are about to roll this year. So yeah, a couple of 4 to 5 releases coming up. Yeah. बोलते हैं कि उम्मीद पर दुनिया कायम है। हमेशा हर साल हम लोग कुछ एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं कि कुछ ज़बरदस्त होगा, कुछ अच्छा होगा हमारी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री के लिए। एंड दिस इज ऑल्सो आई होप बेस्ट विल हैपन, एंड जस्ट फिंगर्स क्रॉस्ड, एंड होपफुली बजट शुड बी गुड फॉर आवर इंडस्ट्री। थैंक यू सो मच। थैंक यू।
I think Society Achievers Award are the only awards which have connect with corporate and Bollywood and everybody together, and it's been happening since very long. Magna and Stardust, we all are connected, so I'm here to wish them and be a part of it as usual. Presenting the award, of course. Thank you.
I'm so excited by the way, and thank you for calling me. और इनफैक्ट मैं हमेशा ये लोग मुझे बुलाते हैं और मैं हमेशा आती हूँ, so I feel very special actually. Yeah. Oh my God, really? कहाँ से मैं लग रही हूँ मुझे बताओ ना, किस तरफ से? style. This is my own design. I'm not like किसी और का मैंने डिज़ाइन कुछ कॉपी नहीं किया है. ये मैंने खुद डिज़ाइन किया और मैंने खुद ही पहन लिया है. Because I don't have anything, तो I thought कि क्यों नहीं जो कटन है उसको निकाल के और मैं खुद से सिल के और कुछ ऐसा पहन के चली जाऊँ. So it's my own style. I'm doing one Hindi film, but I can't tell you name right now because it's very difficult to say right now. But I'll tell you very soon. And I'm doing one short film also. This is very it's very bold character. It's very good. मतलब इससे पहले ऐसा bold मैंने अभी तक किया नहीं है और इनफैक्ट बॉलीवुड में ऐसा किसी ने bold वो सब्जेक्ट पे काम किया नहीं है. So I'm very excited. Only शिल्पा सिंधे, शिल्पा जी के अलावा कोई विन कर ही नहीं सकता है. Of course, मुझे कंफर्म किया पूरा 101% पता है कि शिल्पा ही जीतेंगे. नहीं आप पूछ लो ना कुछ, आपको कुछ अलग से पूछना है.
What are your expectations in terms of?
See, I'm so they always call me actually, so it's very big thing for me कि कोई आपको बुला रहा है. So I'm just waiting कि कौन आज अवार्ड जीत के अपने घर जाता है. So I'm just waiting and hope so कि मैं next year कि मुझे भी ये लोग अवार्ड दें और मैं अवार्ड के साथ आप लोगों के सामने आऊँ. So I'm just like finger crossed. Thank you so much. Thank you.
मैम सामने देखिए. मैम लेफ्ट कौन है? सॉरी मैम यहाँ. मैम यार सामने मैम. ऊपर मैम. मैम you're right. मैम right side. You're right. मैम right.
I beg your pardon, what do I want to say? How am I associated? Well, I've known Mr. Nari Hira for a long time, many years, since the beginning of my career actually. And the reason why I'm associated with the awards is because I've been invited to receive an award. And I'm really looking forward to seeing how the evening unfolds. Thank you.
Hello.
One second.
नहीं बस इसमें एक पावर कपल का खिताब मिला है इसमें, और ये पहली बार पावर की किसी बात से मैं एसोसिएटेड हुआ हूँ, थैंक्स टू राधिका. लेकिन पिछले एक आध साल में endeavor Happydemic has been doing really well. So I think that is the reason that we're here today. And it's nice to be a part of such a wonderful elite list of awardees and winners.
Actually, he's very used to कि इनको बहुत सारे awards मिल चुके हैं. I think this is my first one, and I think all the more special है क्योंकि as his better half, I've been awarded and appreciated.
I think a lot of people in the waiting, so I think फिर कभी.
Thank you.
This way? Where do you go? Oh, okay.
Yes, sir.
मुंबई में बहुत सारे अचीवर्स हैं, उनको प्रोत्साहित करना बहुत ज़रूरी है और मैं मानती हूँ कि सोसाइटी के इस अवार्ड से एक चीज़ स्पष्ट होता है कि अलग अलग क्षेत्र के सबसे दिग्गज कौन है। शाइना एनसी, शाइना एनसी, शाइना एनसी, साड़ी साड़ी साड़ी। मैं मानती हूँ कि जो लोग बेइज्जती कर रहे हैं उनके पास कोई मुद्दे नहीं बचे हैं। अंतर्राष्ट्रीय स्तर पे आज भारत का जो नाम और स्तर और शान है तो वो सिर्फ नरेंद्र मोदी जी की वजह से है।
Hi, good evening. Society Achievers Awards felicitates all the good deeds that people do and they've done for our country. So it's a proud moment. I'm here to support everybody. We'll get to see now, hopefully. Happy New Year to everybody. New Year has been good. It started off really well. I'm going to be announcing 2 big films this year, and also another web series for Ekta Kapoor, which I'm really proud of, Haq Se. So, the year's been good.
And you were doing an ad also, which is like on air these days.
Oh yeah, so काम करते करते फिर लोग आ ही जाते हैं साथ में एंडोर्स कराने के लिए. So I feel very lucky for that.
What are your criteria when you choose an ad endorsement?
I don't like to sell a lie. You know, although we are in this industry and we make up our lies and everything, advertisement is a little different. You got to be as real as possible. So I think that's the only difference.
And do you think the celebrities should be responsible when they choose a product for the endorsements?
I can't tell about others, but I definitely feel responsible. Even in the smallest things, even while driving a car or crossing the footpath, I think you have to be responsible all throughout.
आज की शुभता में शामिल हो रहे हैं आप, अवार्ड प्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं, दे रहे हैं या लोगों का उत्साह बढ़ा रहे हैं?
उत्साह बढ़ा रहे हैं, उसके साथ और भी बहुत सारी चीजें सर.
सभी हमारे जो सहयोगी पूछना चाह रहे थे कि आज बिग बॉस का फिनाले है, आपकी तरफ से कौन जीत रहा है?
मेरी तरफ से मैं चाहूँगा विकास गुप्ता जीते, बट देन अगेन ऑडियंसेस के. हाँ जी. एक तो अभी अनटाइटल्ड प्रोजेक्ट है टोनी डिसूजा के साथ, सेकंड टाइम अराउंड मैं आ रहा हूँ. सो दैट्स वन गुड प्रोजेक्ट. इट्स गॉट सनी देओल, a lot of cameos as well. I can't speak much about it, but out and out action thriller. दूसरों के बारे में नहीं बोल सकता सर, मगर माई बेस्ट विशेस टू द कंटेस्टेंट्स. थैंक यू सर.
बस जल्दी जा रहा हूँ, मेरे को अवार्ड भाग कर शूटिंग छोड़कर मैं यहाँ पहुँचा हूँ क्योंकि सोसाइटी अचीवर्स अवार्ड में आज मुझे सम्मान दिया जा रहा है फॉर माय फोरे इनटू इंटरनेशनल सिनेमा, वर्ल्ड सिनेमा, हॉलीवुड, एक्टर अक्रॉस कॉन्टिनेंट्स के लिए. खुशी की बात है कि ये एक फैक्ट, ये एक मेरा बरसों का एफर्ट बहुत समय के बाद सराहा जा रहा है कि दैट आई मेड अ मड पाथ बिटवीन बॉलीवुड एंड हॉलीवुड एंड क्रिएटेड a mud path which is now being cemented and followed by wonderful colleagues of mine, whether it is Priyanka Chopra, Irfan Khan, Anil Kapoor, Anupam Kher, Amitabh Bachchan and many others. And I'm very happy of the fact कि ये जो मिट्टी का रास्ता मैंने बनाया था मजबूत हो रहा है. उसी बॉलीवुड टू हॉलीवुड इंटरनेशनल सिनेमा के बीच
जो मैंने एक संबंध जोड़े थे, उसी के लिए आज मुझे सम्मान दिया जाए। मैं भाग रहा हूँ सम्मान लेने जाने के लिए।
Hi, good evening. हाँ जी, हाँ जी, बहुत ऑफकोर्स सोसाइटी प्रेस्टिजियस प्लेटफॉर्म है और मैं खुश हूँ कि मैं आया हूँ और मुझे उन्होंने आमंत्रित किया है और मैं आया हूँ and I'm excited to go inside and see what's happening. Well, I hope so and I'll be very happy to receive any award that society decides to give. शो शुरू हो चुकी हैं, कल रात को पहला एपिसोड एयर हुआ था, बहुत फैंटास्टिक रिस्पांस मिला है। आई थिंक स्टार प्लस का ये नया कॉन्सेप्ट है, एंडमॉल के साथ उन्होंने एक नया कॉन्सेप्ट क्रिएट किया है, इंडियाज़ नेक्स्ट सुपरस्टार। रोहित शेट्टी और मेरी यही कोशिश रहेगी टू फाइंड न्यू टैलेंट और आई थिंक बहुत एक्साइटिंग जर्नी रहा है सो फार और कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग मोमेंट्स हुए हैं, इंटरेस्टिंग एक्टर्स आए हैं उस मंच पे, तो आई थिंक इट्स ऑल गोइंग टू बी ग्रेट। सारे गेस्ट जो आए थे उनका साथ अनुभव बहुत कमाल का रहा। प्रियंका आई थी, सिद्धार्थ मल्होत्रा आए थे, कंगना आई थी, इट ऑल वेंट रियली वेल। इट वॉज ऑल वेरी गुड एंड इट वॉज ऑल वंडरफुल। आप देखिएगा, सब बहुत अच्छा था।
Yeah, somebody's there. Huh? It's a Society Achievers Award. I'm extremely happy to be here and be part of it. I'm also receiving one award. So I thank society for this. And whatever is my contribution in the field of cinema for the last, now it is supposed to be I completed 50 years. So I'm getting this. Plus I've been doing so many other things also. Maybe it is for that also. Thanks for that.
बहुत ही अच्छा प्रयास है ये। आपको लगता है कि कई लोग और भी आपसे अपेक्षाएं करते हैं कार्यों के लिए, फिल्मों के लिए, उनके लिए कुछ कहना चाहेंगे आप?
फिल्मों के लिए
कुछ और फिल्में करें आप इस तरह से?
अभी वो देखें, सबके लिए एक समय होता है। फिल्म कैरियर में जो काम किया इतना साल, उसके लिए ये अवार्ड दे रहे हैं। That time is over, so many other things are there in life to do, na? So many opportunities keeps coming, so I think we should take up many other things. If any film comes, definitely one will do because you will always remain an artist.
मैम एक शिमला मिर्च कोई पिक्चर।
हाँ।
अच्छा मैम सुनो एक सवाल थोड़ा आप मतलब पार्लियामेंट से जुड़ी हैं इसलिए मुझे पूछना पड़ रहा है। ये लोग रोक रहे हैं लेकिन फिर भी पूछना पड़ेगा। आपने देखा न्यायपालिका हमारे इस समय सुप्रीम कोर्ट के ऊपर इतने सवाल उठ रहे हैं। ये जो घटना घटी, 4 जजों ने इस्तीफा दिया, आप इसको किस नजरिए से देखती हैं?
ये हमारे
4 जजों ने ऑब्जेक्शन उठाया और अपने ऑब्जेक्शन उठाया और चीफ जस्टिस के खिलाफ और अपने आप को उससे अलग
जी देखिए, ये डेमोक्रेटिक कंट्री है, यहाँ पर सबका हक है, तो अपना हक सब जता रहे हैं, तो जो सही होगा दैट उसका निर्णय लिया जाएगा।
मैम यहाँ पे